Well, Tanya and Terrell, Drew Peterson believes that he didn't have effective legal counsel, so this morning he's looking to have his conviction overturned. Now, the convicted killer and former Bolingbrook police officer says his lead attorney, Joel Brodsky, did not allow him to testify on his own behalf during his trial back in 2012. So he believes his conviction in the killing of his third wife, Kathleen Savio, should be reversed. Peterson, seen here at a recent court hearing with long white hair, is now 70 years old and continuing to push for this new trial where he could testify and maintain his innocence. The judge saying this morning that a ruling on that will come at a later date. Peterson is also the prime suspect in the disappearance of his fourth wife, Stacy Peterson, who vanished in 2007, but he has never been charged. Now, in connection to his bid to someday be free, ABC 7 legal analyst Gil Sofer says it will be an uphill battle for Peterson.
He has nothing to lose. There's absolutely no reason why a man who's twice convicted and serving decades in jail won't try everything he can to get out. That's perfectly understandable, but it's a very hard thing for him to succeed at. It's a very high level of proof he has to make after all this time, after all these appeals, after all these efforts.
Meanwhile, Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow is seeking a special prosecutor to handle a case where Peterson's former attorney, Joel Brodsky, is accused of violating a 2022 gag order. That gag order stemming from Peterson's public defender, who sought to prevent Brodsky from talking about the case, saying he should be held in contempt. Brodsky, who can be seen in this picture appearing at the hearing this morning, has told media outlets that he has information that could solve the disappearance of Peterson's fourth wife, Stacy Peterson. Glasgow saying a special prosecutor should handle this because Brodsky could be called as a witness in a new trial. And about an hour ago, the judge decided to grant that request for a special prosecutor. Back here live, Brodsky has been ordered not to talk about his representation of the Peterson case until the next hearing on April 1st.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC 7 Chicago Eyewitness News.